Hey, this is Barry Canada from L3 Success and LunchtimeRecordings.com. Welcome back. This is episode number 6 already. Today's topic is going to be over fail your way to success. And this particular topic was inspired by one of my partners and friends, Bradley, who left something on my Facebook wall today that spoke about failure. And so I just thought this would be a great topic to discuss and to add a little motivation into your day. Now, the first thing I'll tell you is that failing is a good thing. It may not feel like it, right away. But if you look at this board, you'll see this is only a handful of names of people who are very successful throughout their career, who started out as, failures. Michael Jordan, Tom Landry, Richard Branson, all of these folks, started out and they failed multiple times over and over again. Eventually they succeeded. So to think about it that way, that know that you have to fail most of the time. You have to fail first before you can succeed. You're more determined to make it. Okay, it adds that additional motivation. You get sick and tired of failing. Eventually you're gonna succeed. You're gonna start learning and educating yourself more. You're gonna figure out what those problems were, those things that caused you to fail. You learn from those mistakes, and then you're able to push forward and become a success. Let's discuss, a few of these people and get an understanding of what they went through in order to find their success. Thomas Edison's teacher told him he was too stupid to learn anything. As a child, Albert Einstein had some difficulty communicating and learning in a traditional manner. Winston Churchill was estranged from his political party over ideological disagreements during the wilderness years of 1929 to 1939. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first television job as an anchor in Baltimore. Walt Disney was fired by a newspaper editor because he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. Steven Spielberg was rejected by the University of Southern California School of Cinematic Arts multiple times. Colonel Harvard David Sanders was fired from dozens of jobs for founding a successful restaurant. After Harrison Ford's first small movie role, an executive took him into his office and told him he'd never succeed in any movie business. Lucille Ball appeared in so many second-tier films at the start of her career that she became known as the Queen of B-movies. Henry Ford ruined his reputation with a couple of failed automobile businesses. Stephen King grew so frustrated over his attempt to write the novel Carrie that he threw away the entire draft. King's wife Tabitha found the manuscript in the trash and took it out. Carrie became a hit and launched his career. His novels have since sold over 350 million copies. Les Brown, Sylvester Stallone, Bill Gates, Richard Branson, Michael Jordan, Tom Landry, Steve Jobs, Bradley, Shauna, Mike, Esther Linda, Tanya, AC Casey. The list goes on and on. We will all fail, but at some point we will succeed. This is Barry Canada from L3 Success, LunchtimeRecordings.com. Take care and God bless.